Pre-Repertorised Templates. For the first time, Dr. Nisanth Nambison and Dr.Smita Nambison present pre-repertorized templates to make your prescribing a breeze. These templates are cured case templates and disease templates. In this video, we will learn about cured case templates. Pre-repertorized templates of cured cases has case files of stalwarts like Hahnemann, Kent, etc. These case files will give you a first-hand experience of rubrics chosen by them, choice of remedy, the failures, the corrections, the follow-up, and how was a successful cure achieved. Let's learn and replicate their style of prescribing. On purchasing pre-repertorized templates, you will get a list of cases cured by stalwarts. You can open the Cured Cases templates through Case module. Go to the Case module, click on the group Cured Cases tab. Here you can see the pre-repertorized cured cases. On clicking the cases, the respective case file can be viewed. When you have selected a case file, part of the case information is drawn at the right side, known as Case File Summary. The information includes name of the author of the case, patient information, name, address, birth date, a photo, if present, list of most recent prescriptions. Let's have an example of alcoholism case. In the patient information, the name of the disease illness is shown, and the final remedy that cured the case. Here, you can also see the case background and other details. On Prescription tab, you will get the details of the prescribed remedies and also their follow-up cases. Available analysis is also seen at the right side of Prescription tab, which have details of the analysis. Click on the available analysis to see the notes and other relevant details in the case. In Prescription Details tab, double-click the medicine in the RX list to see the prescription details, like the potency, reaction to the medicine, instructions given by them, etc. You can also do analysis of pre-repertorized cured case templates. Simply, go to the Analysis module by double-clicking on the Description Details of Available Analysis tab. In the next frame you can see, the window is divided into two sections. On the left side, the symptoms and rubrics used for this analysis, and, on the right side, the analysis results. Let's do the analysis. Here you can see, lacosis is the first remedy in the analysis chart. And the final prescription, which cured the case, is far behind. But the next analysis chart will make it amply clear that fluoric acid was a good choice. This analysis chart has standard analysis and small remedies analysis, along with other types of analysis. The standard analysis shows the results based upon carefully selected parameters. Small remedies analysis, in this result, smaller remedies are given more importance than larger remedies or polycrests. This compensates for the unequal occurrence of remedies throughout the repertory. Polycrests are not left out of the analysis, it is just that their dominance is reduced. In this way you can learn, save time, diagnose and individualize, cure. Enjoy reperto rising.